September 12th, this is going to be the third video in the last 3 or 4 weeks, and it is so exciting to be making videos with any type of regularity. After spending 4 or 5 months in that mess that I was caught up in, I finally have some positive things to talk about, and I think you're going to like them as much as I do. Following along this crazy health crisis journey that I've been on since last April, I finally have some good news. For the first time, I'm able to say when people ask, how are you doing? I think I'm doing okay. I think I'm doing good. I don't feel good, but I feel better. I feel better than I did 2 weeks ago. I feel better than I did 4 weeks ago. I feel a hell of a lot better than I did 2 months ago. And it's neat to be able to say that after being kicked in the teeth so many times when I was down, when I was hoping I'd feel better, it was hard to be ambitious. It was hard to be hopeful. But I've actually got a couple decent months under my belt since the surgery. I haven't started gaining any weight yet. I hope I do soon. I'm going to have to start shopping at Baby Gap, for crying out loud, if I don't put some weight back on. But I've stopped losing weight. I had some blood work done last Friday, and my platelets that were down to 27 or 29 earlier are up over 200 again. So my oncologist, hematologist, doesn't even want to see me anymore. Just wants to check my blood every quarter, but it looks like I'm heading back in towards black again. I'm finally heading in the right direction. I'm starting to get a little bit of energy back, and starting to feel a little bit better. So that's good news, right? My blood work is back. And it looks really good. It looks positive. The platelets are coming back. I've stopped losing weight, and that's just fantastic. Something else that's really cool, had a meeting with the surgeon a few days ago. I'm off all of my diet restrictions and limitations. I can start eating normal again. That's why I'm so hopeful that I'll start gaining this weight back soon. I can't go out and get the ribeye that I want today, but I can start eating whatever I want, as long as I have small portions and only add one new thing every day. So again, it's a slow journey, but it's a journey moving forward, and that in itself is kind of exciting. Since this video seems to be discussing good news for a change, and boy, it's been a long time since we've done that here, let's talk about a few more things. The merchandising that we're doing through Bunker Branding is going phenomenal. All of the t-shirts that you all bought out of stock are now back in stock. As of the moment I'm making this, everything's back in stock, including the limited edition shirts with the back in black, the YouTube channel. This is one of the older ones, so it doesn't have the back in black. The text on the ribs, just because you're out of sight doesn't mean you're out of range, and the Bigshooterist logo, those are back, and we added a size, so now they're available in medium, large, and extra large. And we also added 5 new colors, from small all the way to XXX. So everything should be ready to go now, and that's another piece of good news. I'm so anxious to be able to get things back towards normal again, and I'm so lucky to have a family like you. When I mentioned in the first video, the first update, that I wasn't looking for anybody's money, but I'd be happy to sell you something, because I got to get the cash registers ringing around here again, because evidently the people I owe money, they don't seem to care I've been out of work for 6 or 7 months. They still think I owe them money every month for the things I owe them money for. Isn't that crazy? Well, I mentioned that I didn't want to take anyone's money, but I'd be happy to sell you something, and put a link down to these new t-shirts through Bunker Branding. And man, have you folks come through on that, and I am so thankful for all of the help, all of the support, all of the kind thoughts and well wishes, and t-shirt sales and book sales. And man, I've got a better community to be part of than I really deserve, and I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. I really do. And I'm so looking forward to getting back to normal so we can start having fun again, stop talking about health issues, and start talking about firearms again, the things that brought us together in the first place. And because this is a good news video, for a cherry on top, on a channel like this, you would typically expect to see something like this. Yeah! We're going to start moving in that direction as soon as I'm cleared to be able to shoot again. We've already got some product lined up. This is from a company that you may have heard of. Matter of fact, I'm quite sure a lot of you have. The company is called Unique ARs. And several years ago, we introduced one of their really cool custom handguards. And man, the detail they put into these things is just absolutely phenomenal. Now, they're making complete firearms. And this little one is a 5.56 pistol. And as soon as I get clearance to shoot, we're going to shoot. If you don't want to wait for information, if you don't want to wait until I can shoot, let me know in the comments and we'll talk about it ahead of time. I've had a couple volunteers offer to do the shooting for me, so we shouldn't have to have you wait all that long if you don't want to. We also have some other cool products already on their way in, and we just received these new cleaning kits from our friends at Liberty Lube. And these things are really cool. These are an all-inclusive cleaning kit that is custom built for you based on the type of firearm, be it a rifle or a pistol, and the caliber of it. So there's no need to have an inexpensive all-inclusive cleaning kit that has things in it that you'll never use or don't think you'll use, at least early on. If you just have, say, a 9mm pistol and you want to upkeep it, you can order the kit for the 9mm pistol and it'll come with everything you need for it. We'll be looking at these things in detail up close and personal here very soon too. So finally, some good news. And I guess this video is a birthday present to myself. It's September 12th, 2021. Today's my 55th birthday. Thank God, thanks to the VA, thanks to all of the kind thoughts and wishes and prayers and help and assistance from so many of you. I made it, 55, and nothing negative to report. It's all good stuff. You can find the t-shirts at the links in the description below this video. You can find the information on the compact cleaning kits in the links below this video. We'll have some information on Unique ARs coming in right away as well. And again, we'll be looking at these things in detail very, very soon. Thanks for joining me today. It feels good to have something positive to talk about. I hope that you enjoyed this quick update. If you did enjoy it, please click like, share us with your friends in your vast social media universe, subscribe to the channel if you don't already, and double check. Make sure you're still subscribed if you think you are, because there are some shenanigans going on behind the scenes we found out. And I want to make sure that you know when we do upload something new. Till next time, have fun and be safe.